Yo, what up, guys? In this one, I'm going to show you how to make banger-ass course modules, the course module covers, how to make dope covers, just like this, and just like the ones that you see in Inner Circle. I always thought these course module covers were like so super dope, and so sorry, Brady, I kind of copied your style, kind of copied your flow. But anyways, now I'm going to give you guys the sauce on how you can make course modules just like this. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you're going to do is go to Midjourney. Midjourney, and it's going to be like this. There's pricing, I think it's $10 a month. So it does cost money, costs $10 a month. Another alternative is that you can use ChatGPT, but you just need AI, some sort of AI image generation software. And so once you download Midjourney and like get it all set up, it's going to be in Discord. And so you're going to go to this Discord bot, you're going to go to your DMs, and then you're going to DM the Midjourney bot, okay? And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to give you the exact AI prompts to like create these course module covers. So let me try and recreate this one. So, all right. Cool. So here are some of examples of some of the prompts that I've used. This was the prompt that I used to generate my course module cover. It was like dark wizard with hood in outer space shooting lightning from hands, dark blue and purple, watercolor style, 4K, right? So I'm just going to copy this. Once you get the Midjourney bot, you're going to type /imagine. Okay, that's the prompt to start it out. And then for this, it'd probably be like wizard. I'm going to say like wizard. Let's see. It's probably like something like wizard venturing out into space. Wizard venturing out into space with infinity stones floating around him. And the color is red. Red. And then the style that I figured it out. It's watercolor style. So you just have to say watercolor style and it'll generate like this type of same style. So let me see what this prompt gives me. And it's going to take some time to generate. So you have to like wait around for a bit. I'm going to pause and then come back when it's done generating. All right. So that took quite a bit of work. I went through a lot of different variations. I think the very first prompt that I gave me like this, and it didn't really know like what infinity stones was. So I had to say like 6 colored gems, but then these were like too big. So I colored gem, and like I just keep going through prompts until I finally got like this one. I did wizard venturing out with 6 colored gems floating in various places, red water style. And then I chose V4, which basically that means it's just gonna give you variations of this fourth image right here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was like, this is close. Let me get variations of this. And I got this, and then I think I chose variations of this, which is 2 over here, and it gave me this, and this is pretty damn close. You could even go variation one more time to see if you could get like a closer image, but you get the point. You get the point. You know, you just have to change it around with prompts. I think wizard venturing out with 6 colored gems floating in various places, red color, watercolor style, 4K. And this sets the aspect ratio. So it's like, it gives you like horizontal instead of square. So that's the prompt that works for me. I had to go through a couple of variations, but now I think I got this one in the bottom right. So I'm just going to choose U4 to choose this bottom right one and upscale it. And then I will do it again. I'll choose this one, upscale subtle. You can also do like there's more like, you can just play around with it to like change the image how you want. But yeah, I got that pretty damn close. And then you have to wait, and this is going to upscale it for you. I'll pause. All right, cool. So that just got done upscaling. If you click, you can just click save image, and save, and that will download it. And then if we do, it is like about 3000 by 1600. So it's like a really good resolution. If you open it up, it's like full res. It's like all the resolution that you need. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Canva and add the titles and all the other graphics. So if you see, so the school course covers, the recommended size is 1460 by 752. So we're going to go into Canva, create a design, and custom size, and I think it was 1460 by 762. 1460 by 752. 752. Create new design, and that's going to be so that's going to be the exact size that you need. And now, so I would change this background. I'm going to change it to like, let's change it to like a super dark red. So something like that. And then I'm going to take the image, drag it in, and then just scale it up. Cool. And now you can kind of like reposition. I'm going to reposition it like that. And then I'm going to drop the transparency to like 30. And let's make this even like darker. It should be like near black. I think that's probably good. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to show you how like Brady gets his like super cool titles. So you have to install this app. If you go apps and you search type gradient, I don't know. I already have it installed. It's that one right there, but it's called Type Gradient. And, you know, you can name it whatever your course. So, right. And I'm pretty sure the font that he used was Poppins. And then you go black. Poppins black. And then move this over here. Move this over here. Let's see what he did here. Let's see what he did here. Okay, white to red. All right. So let's delete that. Let's go drag this over to white. And then this is like completely red. Okay, we got to switch these around. All right, just like that. Add to design. I'm pretty sure. Okay, maybe he's going bold. And then you click update, it'll update. Maybe it's something like that. And then just make it bigger, center middle. And then for this little thing right here, let's see. Let me check. I figured out what font it was. What is this? SF Pro Display. Oh, it doesn't really matter, that font. So you can just add some text. I guess we'll do, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. We'll do SF Pro Display. I added this in custom, but it doesn't really matter. You can just choose like whatever. Let's do, yeah, this heavy, and then what is it? Inner circle. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to make them all caps, and then we're going to go effects, and then hollow. Yeah, effects and then hollow, and then what we're going to do is letter spacing, and we're going to do that, and then we're also going to make it italic. And then, yeah, that looks about right. I would maybe even drop the opacity a little bit, maybe to like 80. Just like that. And then he has like a little welcome in start here. So I'd just like duplicate this and then welcome in start here, ... And then change this to Poppins regular update. And then he has it like reversed. So the gradient is reversed. So you just drag this over here, just like that. Update. Okay. Make it a little smaller. Let's make sure that it is centered. Cool. And then he added the logo too. I have my logo. Let's see. Where is it? Where is my logo? I don't know. You just want to drag here it is. Just drag your logo in and then just like put it right there. And yep. that's pretty much it. That's how you make course modules like Brady does them. I've used this because I think they're sick as fuck. So I did that for my my course, and I did like a little dark wizardry type shit. That's how you make course modules just like Brady's. So hope you thought this was cool and maybe even helpful. Cool. All right, well, I'll see you guys later. Peace.